To get a new Navy Federal debit card, follow these steps. First, determine why you need a new card. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you will need to report this to Navy Federal immediately to prevent unauthorized transactions. Next, contact Navy Federal customer service by calling their 24-hour phone number. You can find this number on the Navy Federal website or on the back of your debit card. When you call, have your account information ready, including your account number and social security number, to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, inform the customer service representative that you need a new debit card. They will guide you through the process and ask for the reason you need a new card. If your card was lost or stolen, they will likely ask you to confirm that you have not made any recent transactions. Once you have requested a new debit card, Navy Federal will mail it to you. This typically takes 7 to 10 business days. In the meantime, if you need access to your account, you can use Navy Federal's online banking or mobile banking app to transfer funds or pay bills. When you receive your new debit card, activate it by following the instructions provided with the card or by calling the phone number on the sticker attached to the card. You will need to create a new PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that is secure and easy for you to remember. Finally, update any automatic payments or accounts that are linked to your old debit card with your new card information. This will ensure that your payments are not interrupted. By following these steps, you can easily get a new Navy Federal debit card and continue to manage your finances with ease.